The WordPress Spotify embed block lets you add albums, playlists, podcasts, or tracks to your website. They'll hear a 30-second preview before being prompted to take the next step. Also, you don't need a paid Spotify account to do so. So from the Gutenberg editor, click the plus sign and search for Spotify. Now we need to head on over to Spotify and find the track that we want to embed. So for this example, I'll choose this song from Elvis Presley. I'll click the three dots, go to share and copy link. Go back to WordPress, paste that link into the Spotify embed box and click embed. And there we go. That is how an embedded track will look. If you want to embed an entire album, the process is very similar. First, we'll just press this pencil icon to change the link. Choose an album on Spotify, press the three dots, go to share, copy album link, then change the URL and press embed. And there we go. That is an embedded album. Same goes for playlists. So again, pencil icon, find a playlist, click the three dots, share, copy link to playlist. Back over to WordPress, paste that updated link, press embed. And there we go. That is an embedded playlist. And if you want to do this for podcasts, again, it's very similar. Just press the pencil icon, go on over to the podcast, three dots, share, copy show link. Paste that updated link into WordPress, press embed, and there we go. The latest episode from this podcast is now being displayed. If you want to embed a single episode, again, pencil icon, go over, find an episode, three dots, share, copy episode link, head back over to WordPress, update that link and press embed, and there we go. If you somehow grabbed a link that can't be embedded, let's say, for instance, it was missing part of the URL, it would turn out like this. Sorry, this content could not be embedded. So again, make sure you go back, click the three dots and copy the link directly from Spotify and it should work. If it doesn't, try contacting Spotify. Also, it's worth noting that every time a visitor clicks play on a Spotify track, it will stay on until the track ends or the user manually stops it. If they hit play on another track on the same page, that will start playing too, right along with the one that's already playing. This can be annoying. So when possible, it's most user-friendly to limit Spotify embeds to one per WordPress post or page. If you want to add more than one track to a Spotify embed, you should consider playlists. And since you can add both music tracks and podcast episodes to a playlist, you could have all the media that you want to share in one user-friendly box. And there you go. That's all you need to know about the WordPress Spotify embed block. Stay tuned. We have a ton of block videos coming your way. If you enjoyed this video, then be sure to give it a like and subscribe for more content. With that said, thanks for watching and we'll catch you in the next one.